Brothers channel. Today we are going to be learning how to make a triple chocolate brownie. Okay, let's get started. So here guys, we have 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 2 full cups of brownie mix. Let's start mixing. So right now I am keeping all of the brownie mix into a big bowl. So here guys, I am going to be adding the vegetable oil to the brownie mix and also the 2 tablespoons of water. After that, I'm going to be adding the eggs. Made a little spill there. After you've added all of the ingredients, you have to start mixing. So right here guys, if you think there are lumps in your batter and you think that you still have to mix, don't worry, because those are chocolate chips. Okay, you have to keep on stirring until you see no more powder and it comes to this very gooey, chocolatey consistency, guys. So guys, the pans we will be using are 8x8s, 9x9s, and 11x7s. Okay, whatever pan you're using, fully spray that with butter spray. Okay, after that, you have to pour your batter into your pan. Gotta get all of the batter so you have a lot of brownies. It's nice and thick. So here, after you guys have poured all of the batter into the pan, you have to shake the pan a few times to make sure that it is all even and you don't have too big brownies or too small brownies. Okay? So that you have to keep. Now that the oven is ready to bake your brownie batter, you have to keep the batter in the oven. Here guys, our brownie is ready. How to know if it's ready? You stick a toothpick right in the middle of the brownie and you check if there's nothing on the toothpick. Okay guys? If there is, you gotta keep it for either 5 or 10 more minutes. Okay? After that, you have to let the brownie cool down. Otherwise, you'll be having burnt tongues for more than a week. Okay, so don't do that. You gotta let it cool down. Probably turn on the fan or keep the house temperature down a bit. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Like and subscribe our video
And channel. Bye!
Bye! We have made more videos. You can watch it on GKGV channel. Bye!